Introducing Flotex FR for rail applications. Flotex FR is a unique flocked floor covering for rail applications that offers a completely different dimension to rail flooring, as it combines all the hard-wearing and durable characteristics of a resilient flooring with the warmth and comfort of a textile. Flotex FR is tested and certified to the European Railway Standard for Fire Safety EN 45545-2, which defines the requirements for fire behaviour of materials, including floor coverings on rail vehicles. Flotex FR is a textile floor covering for rail applications that offers significant advantages over other types of floor coverings. A velour-like surface that is comfortable to walk on. Lightweight, approximately 1,225 grams per metre squared. Excellent acoustic properties, up to 22 decibels. Durable construction using nylon 6.6. Easy to clean, impervious backing making it suitable for wet cleaning. Offers slip resistance when dry and when wet. Can be cut to shape to save time and cost of installation. Only using safe ingredients. Flotex FR is orthophthalate free. With a surface pile density greater than most carpets, Flotex FR offers increased longevity and appearance retention. Flotex FR is a rail floor covering that offers real design freedom. Create your own masterpiece using our custom design service alongside our high-definition printing technology. If you're looking for ideas, recoloration of existing designs, or help with the development of a unique creative solution that works perfectly with your rail interior design scheme, then we have the design resource to help. Alternatively, choose from over 500 existing references in our Flotex Colour FR and Flotex Vision FR collections. Logos, symbols and lettering can also easily be incorporated. How to clean Flotex FR. Unlike most textiles, Flotex FR is a textile floor covering that really is easy to clean and will maintain its appearance throughout many years of use. The cleaning process will vary depending on the area of use, the amount and frequency of foot traffic, and the type of dirt being brought inside. Any fresh spillages should be spot cleaned as quickly as possible to allow for easiest removal. For water-soluble stains such as baked beans, jam, eggs, flour, red wine and cola, simply use the scrape, scrub, rinse method. Scrape up as much as you can, rinse with hot water and brush to agitate the pile, then remove any excess liquid. Greasy stains such as butter, olive oil and engine oil will require the use of a detergent. As before, scrape up as much as you can, apply the detergent with a small amount of hot water and scrub with a brush. Then scrape up, ensuring that you fully rinse out the detergent with clean water. More difficult stains such as permanent marker or shoe polish can be removed using a safe solvent. Wipe the affected area, then repeat the process to remove all contaminants. Chewing gum can be removed simply by using a suitable freezing agent. Once frozen, the chewing gum can be easily detached using a scraper and cloth. Daily cleaning involves regular vacuuming with an upright cleaner with rotating brushes. Periodic cleaning may require the use of a mechanical carpet cleaner, such as a hot water spray extractor or a 3-in-1 machine. Unlike other textile floorings, Flotex FR dries quickly after wet cleaning, so areas do not need to be out of use for long durations. Flotex FR is the only textile floor covering for rail applications to be awarded the prestigious Allergy UK seal of approval. Due to its construction, twice as many allergens are trapped by Flotex FR's nylon fibres and released upon vacuuming in comparison to conventional carpet. This can positively impact upon the lives of allergy sufferers. Flotex FR contributes to better indoor environments in which we live, work and play. Flotex FR's combination of design flexibility and high-performance functionality make it well suited to a wide array of rail applications, such as high-speed, intercity and commuter trains, standard and premium seating areas, restaurant and buffet cars, quiet zones. Due to Flotex FR's outstanding durability, it delivers maximum return on investment over the lifetime of the rail vehicle. For more information or to request a visit from one of our key account managers, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems, either by telephone or email. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.